In today's very special episode, I talk 2023 business goals and how I'm going to stick with them. I share my new social media strategy, put in a supply order, and make 3 different soaps. All of that and more in the life of a soap business owner. Hey guys! I just got done scheduling this video, this Q&A on my YouTube channel, and it was a huge nightmare. I was supposed to post that video in December. It was supposed to be my last video of December, but because of Christmas, Kale's birthday, New Year's, that just kept getting pushed back and back and back. And then when I finally got down to filming it and then uploading it, that took so much longer than what I was expecting. So now, January 4th, I finally got it scheduled and it's going up today. And there's Kale. What are you up to?
Just making some lunch. Just gonna be making some fried noodles, but I'm gonna cut up some mushrooms and put them in there.
Oh, that sounds so good. Hey Jiggy, how are you doing in the new year? Feeling good? I put on this liquid lipstick on today and it's dark. It's really dark. But it's on my lips now, so I guess that's the look for today. It matches my sweater at least. So today we have some exciting things that we're gonna be doing. I'm making soap today. I will take you along for that. But I thought with this video being the first video other than the Q&A, which is going up in a couple hours, that this could be a good time to talk about my business goals for 2023. For those who aren't familiar with me and Kale, we are the owners of Quench Bear, which is a soap and bath bomb company. We've owned this business for about 5 years, and on this channel, we show you how we make those products and also how we run our business out of our home. Yum, and here are the fried noodles with a side of some seaweed. So good. One of my big business goals of 2023 is to be more organized, plan more, to schedule things more, and the way I'm going to do that is through a planner. I got this planner from Staples, I think, and it's a Ray Dunn. I know. Not the biggest fan of Ray Dunn, but this minimalistic planner looked really practical, and I liked all the features in it, especially how you can write a bunch for every day. And my goal in 2023 is to write in this every day, daily, so I can refer to it daily and also schedule stuff so that I can plan ahead. This has spaces for as early as August 2022, and I think that's when I bought it. Let's skip to January 2023. This is where I plan on writing my YouTube ideas, writing my schedule for making products. Possibilities are endless.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to be.
So I marked on the calendar when I'm going to be posting videos, and for some eagle-eyed viewers, you might have noticed that I wrote the word video on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I know. The winner of the poll that I posted on my community post clearly had the 2 videos a week schedule as the winner, but the vlogging everyday option had a ton of votes, and also the option for 3 videos a week. And I thought that I could be diplomatic by trying the 3 posts a week to be in the middle of the 2 winning sides. We'll see. If it doesn't work out, I'll change it back to the 2 videos per week in February. But in January, let's experiment a little bit and see what happens. I also have this whiteboard that we never use. I think I'm going to use this to write down my projects per month so that I stay on track and actually do them. Another goal of mine is to try 4 new things per month that I can release as recipes on my Patreon. These are January's projects. I've always wanted to make something with borage in it because that's very, very hydrating from what I hear. Shower steamers, a stars and moon soap, sodium alginate. I want to do this at the beginning of every month so I have a good foundation to build content on, in addition to my business day-to-day stuff, which I will also be sharing with you guys and vlogging about. Next on my to-do list today is to order some supplies. We are getting low on quite a few things, but I'll head down to the soap studio to make sure that I have everything, just to double, triple check. Even though I'm ordering them from Windy Point, so if I miss something, I can still just order it. We are picking all of that stuff up through free local pickup once it's ready. Heading down to the soap studio. Yes, I'm wearing lavender pants. So here are our supplies. This is our only glycerin, and we go through a lot of these, so we like to have a backup. But I think we're gonna mostly everything else. We have a polysorbate backup. I got asked in the Q&A, how do I know when to start buying things in bulk? And the simplest answer to that is when you need to. If you're just starting out, buy the quantities, like small quantities. I know it's not the most cost-effective solution, but you don't know yet whether or not you're gonna be needing that item. You don't know yet how frequently you'll be able to go through that. So it's always safe to just start small and build up as the demand increases. I did not start with buying 25 kilograms worth of shea butter every time. I started like a small bag. Here is the lye that Kale prepared for me. I'm gonna be making 3 soaps today. I'll show you guys that when it happens, but that's the lye. There's the oils. They've already melted and they're just cooling off. Here's how much soap I currently have on hand, and it's not a lot, guys. The Christmas rush really took a lot of my stock, so I need to start pumping out soap again. Sales were really good in December. I don't know if that momentum is gonna continue in January, so I'm kind of playing it safe, but this is how it is. I have plenty of bath bombs. Let's order those supplies. Look, I'm using the whiteboard
Oh, nice.
or something.
Let's see what we got here. January projects. Borage cream?
Borage, yeah, this
Okay.
is more so for my Patreon.
Okay, gotcha.
I'm gonna be making these products as projects and sharing my recipes with my patrons, and then filming the video of it and sharing that with you guys, my subscribers. So I don't have to order any fragrance oils or essential oils, which is good. I'm pretty good for all of the jars, so it's just that stuff that I have on my list. So let's go ahead and order that. You playing? Oh, she's not bothering you. Oh no, the castor oil is out. No. Okay, I'm gonna hold off on castor oil. Not only was castor oil sold out, but also glycerin. So my order total for today is just these 2 ingredients here, and then that's how much it's gonna end up being. And the order's punched in, yay! See, old Jerica would have taken those ingredients that were out of stock and just tried to remember it for next time. But new and improved 2023 Jerica is gonna write those ingredients down so that I check continuously and don't forget. There's this handy to-do section here for the month of January. I'm gonna write the ingredients here that I need to buy. So that's basically my administrative goals. I wanna do better keeping track of things, scheduling things, planning things. But it's not just about that. We need some concrete goals in order to run like a legitimate business. I remember last year when I posted a similar video, I said that our goal last year wasn't necessarily about growth, but I'm changing that for this year. I want to see some growth. And in the next video, I'm going to show you some real numbers of how much we made this year for our Shopify, our Etsy. I'll show you how much I made on YouTube, all of that I'll show you in the next video. And for this year's goal, 2023, I want to see that number go up. You think that's a good goal to have?
Indeed. Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, I'm excited to show you guys those numbers because a lot of you were curious in the Q&A. I noticed a lot of questions asking about how much our business made considering the name change and the move to a different province. And the numbers are pretty shocking, not just the amount, but also the number of orders that we got. So stay tuned for that content. These two have the weirdest friendship. And then there's Dempsey. Another thing that I want to do better for 2023 is posting more often. I hate TikTok, Instagram, all of that stuff, but I'm a business owner. I have to do it. I can't just promote stuff on YouTube. So to reach that audience, I need to practice what I preach. I gotta do this. And what better way to build a habit than to do something every single day, even if you hate it. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my Instagram post and my TikTok post, and I think I might post it as a YouTube short. Anyways, let's see what happens. Oh, TikTok, I hate you. So I posted my video for Instagram right here. I posted my video for TikTok right here.
Let's make soap safety first. I'm going for an
Stop. I'm going to repurpose that TikTok video as a YouTube short and see what happens. But I thought it might be a good idea to just take a snapshot of my current followers and see my growth on each platform if I post daily. This is a true experiment. And then we can look back on our progress after a month and see whether or not posting daily helped me at all in terms of sales, growing my followers, growing my reach. Who knows? So on TikTok, we're at 5,066 followers. On Instagram, we're at 13.6 thousand followers. And on YouTube, we are currently at 91.9 thousand subscribers. So here is my first short ready to go. I have it scheduled, and it actually won't let me choose my thumbnail until I've uploaded 10 of them. So this is the thumbnail we are going to get. Hopefully that's informative enough for people to want to click it. Before I pour those soaps downstairs, I actually have to go to a nail appointment and freshen up my nails. I let them grow in quite a bit longer than I usually do. So here are my before and after. Look at these beautiful nails. I love the holographic or metallic look to them. New year, new nails, new soap maker. You guys might have noticed that I'm now downstairs in the studio. I'm gonna go and make these soaps. We are making honey oat soap. What are the ones are we making?
Rosemary mint.
Rosemary mint.
And
Grapefruit.
yeah, grapefruit, yeah. We were going back and forth between grapefruit and Muskoka.
I don't know why we blinked so hard on that one.
Yeah.
We're making our honey oat soap for our wholesale customer. I don't think we'll be returning it back to our line because I have just enough to make the one loaf for him. And then that's it. We're leaving it behind in 2022. That's another video idea that I want to do, is things that I want to leave behind in 2022. And there's a few things, so stay tuned for that video. First up, rosemary mint soap.
Killing time, Friday night. Found a photograph of us without cares and worn out clothes. Doesn't seem so long ago. Now I'm just sitting here bored at home, and it really got me thinking of the times we took off on the road. I can't remember where we headed that night. We were cruising around town in Memphis, running the lights. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top. But we were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you up to see how you've been, 'cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then.
So that was a pour of my rosemary mint soap. Next up is our honey oat soap. And I'm gonna use the last bits of oatmeal milk and honey from Windy Point and mix that with this oatmeal milk and honey from Fizz Fairy. Hopefully it's enough for my soap. I also need to make bath bombs with this, so I'm hoping that I have more than enough. So here's Fizz Fairy. Just from that, I don't think it's gonna be enough. And here is oatmeal milk and honey from Windy Point. No, it's so close. We're like 10 grams off. But you know what I'm gonna do? I have a backup, just in case this happened. I'm gonna top it off with something else. I'm gonna add just the littlest bit of cashmere cream. Oh, this smells so good. Another Windy Point fave. And there you go. Got enough for my honey oat soap, but that means I do need more for bath bombs that I'm gonna make, so I'm gonna have to put it in that order. So this was a weird one. It started to set up on me a little early, and then by the end of it, it was just fine. But turned out great. Now let's do soap number 3. Oh, this is heavy. So that was soap number 3, and it actually behaved a lot better than it usually does. I think it's because my oils and butters were a lot cooler than I usually soap at. They were really close to room temperature. And it's been almost an hour since I posted my short, and I want to show you how it's doing. Remember, I am new to shorts on the Jerica Zimmerman channel. I have no idea what I'm doing as well. So I'm still trying to figure out what people who watch shorts like to watch. Let me know in the comments what you guys like when you watch your shorts. 116 views. That's awesome. The daily experiment begins. I need at least 10 shorts before I can control the thumbnail. But I think I'm done here in the studio for today. I'm gonna head upstairs to my husband and see what he's cooking me for dinner. So now we get to the fun part of the day, crossing out the to-dos I'd written down. Post video, yep. Order supplies, yes. Made soaps, yes. Did my nails, check. So I did everything today that I wanted to. Before Kayla and I dig in, we just want to say thank you so much for watching till the very end. And I know a lot of you are probably super relieved that we haven't done away with the vlog style. This is probably going to be the format of my videos moving forward. But if you did get this far, tell me what your business goals are for 2023. Coming up, stay tuned for a 2022 review where we compare 2022 with 2021. If you're interested in stuff like that, then please subscribe.
Yeah, it'll be fun to see people's goals down in the comments down below.
Yeah, and that's another thing we've been really liking is reading all your comments and responding to them all. If you guys want to know how to make those soaps that I just made, I have that in my Patreon. I'm going to do the same thing that I did in Vlogmas. If you saw something in my vlog that I made, the recipe is going to be in the Patreon, like a buddy post to the video. So go ahead and check that out. It's linked down below. And speaking of my Patreon, thank you to my patrons and my Bubble BFFs. You guys are so amazing. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you, each and every one of you. You guys are awesome. But that's it for today. I'm really glad to be picking up some good habits and leaving some old habits behind. Until the next video, keep smiling, keep being awesome, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Bye.